Alright, so hi everyone. Um, so in this video, we're going to learn how to take a storyboard that you've already drawn. In this case, I have this sample storyboard that I got off the internet. And we are going to try to convert these panels of drawings, this storyboard, into an animatic. So first things first, we need to kind of export out all of our images as separate pictures, separate JPEGs. And for that, we need Photoshop. So let's just open that up and go and find that image. So I open it up in Photoshop. This looks like a 16:9 aspect ratio. So with that open, I'm gonna go to File, New, and we need to get the template that follows the 16:9 resolution. So HDTV 1080 is fine, but let's just get something a bit smaller. Perhaps this one, 720p. So that's a good one. It's still 16:9, right? And let's just drag out the storyboard document, and with my move tool I will drag it inside here. Sweet. And now you can go and close this guy. Right, so what we need to do is, because since it's a bit smaller than what we have here in our document, I will actually have to transform it first. So with that layer, this layer selected, we are going to transform this image. You can do that by going to Edit, Free Transform, and the shortcut is Ctrl T. Right. So let's just change the pivot somewhere here in the middle, and we know we need to kind of resize that guy. So let me just resize that. I do believe you know how to handle Photoshop, or at least give it a try. I do hope that you use this as a good exercise to familiarize yourself with Photoshop. So now we have that resized properly. It's good to have our storyboards labeled with numbers. So this here, what we're looking at is actually one complete shot. What I mean by that, it's still the same camera from this to this panel to that panel to this panel here, and until Perry leaves the frame, it's still the same camera. It's still the same continuous shot, which has 6 drawings in it. Right, going back to Photoshop, I will then go to File, Save As, and it's good to save the Photoshop file. So I will call this the 17th December 04, and I will call it work. So that's my working file, and just click OK. And then only then I will go into File, Save As again, and choose JPEG. So you can just type J there, and here we will call it 001. So that's the first panel that will be saved out. You can choose maximum or a bit smaller, doesn't really matter. This is good, high. And let's have a look at it. Now you have the first panel here. So I'm gonna keep on doing it for the rest of this, and we will keep on exporting out those images. So panel number 2, choose J for JPEG, and call this 002. Why do I use 002? I don't know, force of habit, I guess. Because normally when you create this animatic, normally it consists of hundreds and hundreds of drawings. For our particular example here, it's only 6 drawings, 6 panels in total. Alright, and then go and find this one. Here what I'm doing is I'm basically using the move tool, which is that guy here. So place it in place, cool, and choose JPEG and call this 004. Sweet. And hold shift to make it move in a straight line. Use your arrows to nudge it just a bit I got, that's not too bad. And let's call this 5005, enter. And finally, the last one here. And use your arrow keys on your keyboard to place it nicely there. Control Shift S allows you to save the file out. 006. Sweet. I think I've gotten all of it here. Alright. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how we can bring all of this into Premiere and start constructing our animatic. So see you in the next video.